Brian the Brave is hungry and asks Me Monkey for a banana. Me Monkey says,
No, these bananas are all for me.
Brian the Brave asks You Monkey if he can have a banana. You Monkey replies,
Yes, it's fun to share. This banana is for you.
Later in the day, Me Monkey sits alone with a swollen monkey belly, a sad face, and no friends. Thanks to You Monkey for sharing his bananas, Brian the Brave is having the time of his life with his new friends. The rewards of sharing can be extremely fruitful. Not sharing can be very lonely.